Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, children. So let us start our class. In the last session, we completed up to 83. Am I correct, children? Yes. So before going to class, I will ask some questions. So what means division, children? Division means equally sharing. Okay, division means equally sharing. And we learned the terms of the division. Answer of the division sum is called quotient. Okay, children? Answer of the division sum is called quotient. So now everyone open page number 84. In studio, open page number 84, children, and observe 5.6. Okay, so here listen, read this sentence, everyone, children. Divide and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Okay, divide and fill in the blanks. So first, 20 divided by 1 is done for you. So observe, children, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So here the first one completed. So once observe here, children, here made 5 camels as one group. Am I correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 camels is there, no? So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Shall we go to the next one? Divide into 3 equal groups. Okay, divide into 3 equal groups. So first here you have to make a group of 5 camels. It is a group of 5. It is a group of 5 camels. It is a group of 5 camels. And it is a group of 5 camels. So here each group has 5 camels. Means 20 divided by 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Now here you have to observe, children. Divide into 3 equal groups. Okay, divide into 3 equal groups. So how to divide 3 equal groups, children? So first observe the number of lions here. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally how many lions are here? 6. So totally 6 lions are here, children. And we need to make it 3 equal groups. Am I correct? We need to make a 3 equal groups. So divide into 3 equal groups means you have to divide number 6 by 3. Okay, children? So once read third table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Am I correct, children? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So write 2 here. Now here you have to divide into 3 equal groups. Okay. So now how many lions in each group, children? So answer is 2. Now you have to make a group of 2 lions. Now this is now these are 3 equal groups are not, children. Here this is one group, this is second group, and this is third group. So in each group having only 2 number of lions. Am I correct? Okay. So divide into 3 equal groups means you have to divide total number. Here totally 6 lions are there. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to, so how many lions in each group, children? 2 lions in each group. So answer is 2. Next, divide into 2 equal groups. Okay, divide into 2 equal groups. Let us count the number of dogs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally 8 lions are there. Sorry, 8 dogs are there. Now divide into 2 equal groups. That means you have to divide by 2. Now you have to make a group of, make 2 groups. Okay, children. So here you have to make these 4 dogs as one group. Here totally 8 dogs is there. No, you have to make a group of 4 in one group and group of 4 in another group. So now 8 divided by 2. Once you have to revise second table children. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. And one more thing children, if you solve division problem, you have to do like this also to get the answer. So first you have to write, here we are, total number of dogs is 8, okay, and you have to divide 2 equal groups, means you have to divided by 2 now. So once you have to read second table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. Okay, now do subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we know that this is quotient. Now we have to take quotient as answer. Okay, answer of the division sum is called quotient. So here 4 is answer. So now the number of dogs in each group, 4. Okay, the number of dogs in each group children, 4 dogs. Now divide into 4 equal groups. So how to divide this? Tell me children. First count the number of scissors, total number of scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here totally 16 scissors are there. So divide 16 and divide into 4 equal groups, means you have to divide by 4. Okay, am I correct children? Now do the division problem. You have to do division like this to get answer very easily. So divide 16 by 4 children. Okay, divide number 16 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. Okay, 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 16 divided by 4, answer is 4. Okay children, answer is 4. Now what you have to do? You have to make a 4 scissors as one group. Okay, you have to make 4 scissors as one group. Okay, now here divide into 4 equal groups. Now here 4 groups are there and it's equal or not? Yes, here each group has 4 scissors, means these 4 groups are equal groups. Okay children. Next, page number 85. Dividing a number by 1 and by itself. So what is the meaning of dividing a number by 1 and by itself children? So dividing a number by 1 means, for example, if you take a number 5, if it is divided by 1 means 5 divided by 1. Okay, and divided by itself. By itself means, for example, if you take number 5 and divide by itself means same number. 5 divided by 5 means it is the divided by itself. Okay, next here given pep activity children. So first question, Rajat has 18 marbles. He needs to put 1 marble in each bag. Okay, Rajat has totally how many marbles children? 18 marbles. And she needs to put 1 marble in each bag. So oka bag lo oka marble pettalanuntuntundi. How many bags will he need children? So totally 18 marbles and he wants to put only 1 marble in 1 bag, means how many bags we need? 18 bags. Okay, how many bags we need? 18 bags. Why? Because here he want to put only 1 marble in each bag. So write the division statement. So how to write division statement children? So first here we have to write total number of objects. Am I correct? So total number of objects means here given marbles. So total number of marbles is 18. So total number of marbles is 18. Now divided by number of objects in each group. Okay, divided by number of objects in each group. So here he wants to put only 1 marble in each bag, means 1. So 18 divided by 1. So divide by 18 children. Divide 18 by 1. So in one table 1 18s is 18. Am I correct? 1 18s is 18 means quotient is 18. Okay, quotient is 18. Next, there are 5 seeds to be planted equally in 5 pots. There are 5 seeds to be planted equally in 5 pots. How many seeds are planted in each pot? Okay, here totally how many seeds, children? So totally 5 seeds and along with 5 pots. So how many seeds are planted? So there are equal number of seeds and equal number of pots, means each pot has only one seed. Okay, each pot has only one seed. Okay, sorry children. So there are 5 seeds to be planted equally in 5 pots. Means how many seeds are planted in each pot? So here he wants to plant 5 seeds in each plant, means number of seeds in each pot is 5. Okay, so write a division statement. So total number of seeds, children, 5, and here he wants to planted equally in 5 pots, means 5 divided by 1. Okay children, I think are you clear? So here total number of seeds 5. Okay, and here there are 5 seeds to be planted in 5 pots. So here given question in 5 pots, but here asking how many seeds are in each pot. So here total number of seeds is 5, and here he wants to planted seeds in one pot now. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. So number of seeds are planted in each pot is 5 seeds. Okay children, so here given totally 18 marbles, and he needs to put 1 marble in each bag, means 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18, and here 5 seeds, and he wants to put in each pot, means 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. Next, Rekha's mom bought 10 roses. She asked Rekha to put each rose in separate vase. Let us see how many vases Rekha will need. Okay, Rekha's mom bought how many roses, children? 10 roses. And she asked to put each rose in separate vase. Means you have to separate, means each rose put in each separate vase. Means 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. Okay children, what do you observe here? If you divide number by 1, we get quotient as answer. Okay, if you divide number by 1, answer is the number itself. Okay, if we divide number by 1, answer is the number itself. For example, if you observe here, 18 divided by 1 is 18, means if we divide number by 1, quotient is the number itself. Quotient means answer of the division sum is called quotient. No, so like that. Next, Sheila bought 5 stands to distribute to children. If each child gets 1 pen stand, how many children are there? So Sheila bought 5 stands and want to distribute to children. If each child has get only 1 pen stand, means if you divide total number of pens, and if she want to give only 1, no. So 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. So any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Here dividing by 1 means we get its same number. So everyone remember this point, children. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. Okay. Next, write the division statements for the following images. 4 chocolates are packed into 1 box. Okay, number of boxes we need. So total number of chocolates, children, 4. And here he want to pack 4 chocolates are packed into 1 box, means you have to divide it by 1. So divided by 1 is equal to 4. So number of boxes we need, children. So 4 chocolates are divided into 1 box, means 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. And here you have to do remaining 2 years homework, children. So here 6 flowers are bundled into one bouquet. One bouquet means you have to divide. Here you have to 6 divided by 1 and find the answer. And here 12 color pencils are packed in one box means 12 divided by 1. Write the quotients. Okay children. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.